Now, all the features will come with binary classification. And what do I like binary? It's either it's positive or it is negative. That's what binary means. So if you say a feature, a sound has plus so features, it means the sound has that feature. But if you say it is negative that feature, it means that feature is absent in that sound. Good. So one, we have plus syllabic. Plus syllabic. By plus syllabic, we mean a sound serves as the peak of a syllable. If you say a sound is plus syllabic, it means that sound can serve or serves as the peak of a syllable. And the question which you are going to ask yourself is, what do you mean by the peak of the syllable? You know, you were taught in lower level that a syllable could be divided into how many parts? 3. I think I was the one that taught you. What are the 3 parts? Yes, you are going to have the onset, then you have the peak, and you have the coda. I would say the peak is dominated by what sound?
Vowel sound.
By basically vowel sounds, and sometimes
Syllabic consonants.
syllabic consonants. You understand? When you say a peak is dominated by vowels. That means all vowels can serve as peak. And sometimes you can also have what we call syllabic consonant, serving as the peak of the syllable. So here when you say plus syllabic, the sounds we are referring to are the vowels and syllabic consonants. So when you have this definition, you now see that it is a feature, of vowels and syllabic consonants. You still remember example of syllabic consonants, right? Do you still remember? Syllabic consonants, you can have as when you have, for instance, this is what?
Bottle.
Bottle. How many syllables do you have here?
Oh.
2 syllables, right? Good. Now, where does the first syllable end?
Oh.
You have forgotten what we did. Did it end with O, the first syllable? It cannot end with O. Okay. Identify the peak. If you agree that there are 2 syllables here, it will mean that there are 2 peaks. Right? Now, what are the 2 peaks that we have here? This O is a peak here. This is also a peak. And I told you, when we treated syllable as a topic, I told you that the problem that students usually have is when you have a word with 2 or more syllables. It's difficult to identify where one syllable ends and where another one begins. Now, these are the examples. And what is causing the issue here is now this consonant at the middle. Now, with this consonant here, the part of this first syllable or it will be part of this second syllable. And I introduce you to what we call principle of maximal onset. You have forgotten. Maximal onset, which says that the what do you call it? The consonant between 2 peaks, you will have to first of all allot all of them to the left side. That is the rule. So in this case, if you do that now, it means you are going to have what? And then this one will start. Then the principle says that you have to now to check that after allotting all of them to the left, you have to check whether it is permissible to have that kind of combination